Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we are diving into what many consider the best Ciao bag on the market, the Santa Barbara Design Studio Tote Bag from the Hold Everything collection. This bag perfectly blends style, functionality, and quality, making it a must-have accessory for anyone looking for a reliable and chic tote. Starting with the material, this tote is crafted from 100% cotton canvas, giving it a durable yet soft texture. The heavyweight cotton canvas ensures the bag holds its shape even when fully loaded, which is ideal for daily use or weekend getaways. The genuine leather handles add a touch of luxury and comfort, enhancing both the aesthetic appeal and durability. These handles are designed to withstand regular wear while providing a comfortable grip. In terms of size, the bag measures 20 inches in width by 11 inches in height, with a 6-inch gusset that expands to accommodate all your essentials. This generous size allows you to carry everything from groceries and books to beach towels and more without any trouble. Despite its roomy interior, the bag remains lightweight, weighing just around 13.6 ounces, so it won't weigh you down during your daily activities. One of the standout features of this tote is its simple yet elegant black and white Ciao design, which gives it a trendy and timeless look. The contrasting piping around the edges adds definition and style without being over the top. This makes the bag versatile enough to pair with casual outfits or more polished ensembles. The interior includes an imported cotton lining, adding a refined touch while protecting your belongings. It's important to note that the bag has no closure, so it offers easy access to your items but requires a bit of mindfulness about security depending on where you carry it. For care, the bag is spot clean only, which is typical for canvas bags with leather accents. This means you can easily maintain its appearance with minimal effort, ensuring it stays looking fresh and new for a long time. Santa Barbara Design Studio is known for their creative and artistic approach to design, and this tote is no exception. The bag's aesthetic reflects a blend of California casual with a hip, eclectic vibe that encourages personal style. It's not just a tote bag, it's a statement piece that complements your lifestyle. Whether you're heading to the beach, running errands, or need a stylish carry-all for your everyday essentials, this bag fits the bill. Its combination of durable materials, spacious design, and chic appearance makes it an excellent choice for anyone in search of a reliable and fashionable tote. So if you're looking for the best Ciao bag that delivers on both quality and style, the Santa Barbara Design Studio Tote Bag from the Hold Everything collection is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews and insights. See you next time.